Mark de la Cruz. 4 years later, another letter came. Dear Miss Aquino, I wanted you to be the first to know. They just told me that I will be graduating first honor in my class. The school has not been easy, but I have had good 4 years. Love, Mark de la Cruz. And 4 years later, a letter came and it says, Dear Miss Aquino, I wanted you to be the first to know. As of today, I am Dr. Mark de la Cruz. How about that? And I'm getting married next month, on the 27th to be exact. I want you to come and sit where my mother would have sat if she were alive. You are the only family I have now. My dad died last year. Love, Mark de la Cruz. Miss Aquino went to that wedding and sat where Mark's mother would have sat. She deserved to be there. She had done something for Mark he could never forget. Not too many people have been given the opportunity to help build the lives of so many people, but in education. Parents and teachers, administrators, you should be proud. The only joy we teachers have is when a student comes back to visit us after a couple of years to express their appreciation for how we've been able to touch their lives. Let us continue to educate young people and influence their lives positively. Successful persons are the trophies of the teachers, and improved lives are their medals. All of us are essentially building something every day of our lives. You're not the teacher, you say. You didn't have to be one. Life is a matter of building, and so we all have the opportunity